You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from and listen to. British English pronunciation is generally as Auriel, Auriel. In American English, it's more commonly pronounced as Auriel. Now, in Hebrew, it can also be pronounced as Auriel. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.